Hello friends, welcome to beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida. I'm here in front of Palmer's Hardware, one of the coolest hardware stores on the planet. They specialize in plumbing stuff. You have like an old faucet or something like that, they probably have parts for it here. Places like this don't exist anymore, except for, well, here in St. Petersburg. Let's go check it out. They have a little bit of everything. It's not just plumbing.
In Atlanta, they wouldn't let her be buried in a wooden box. This was what our original Palmer's Super Service. A customer gave me this card table.
Huh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Palmer's is a family-owned business, and the dad, the daughter, the granddaughter's working here today, I believe, and they're telling me some stories. One about this sarcophagus. They are definitely the only hardware store on the planet with a sarcophagus, and it belonged to one of the family's mother-in-laws of some sort, and apparently she had a pyramid house as well, but they wouldn't let her be buried in that, so now it hangs in the hardware store. What a trip. Everything in here is quite unique. It's not just plumbing stuff. They have all sorts of things here, like old tennis rackets. I don't know if those are for sale. But this meat grinder is. I think that's what it is. Where do you go to get a replacement handle for a hammer? Right here. Look at this old tool. Interesting. Some of the items here have been here for a long time, like this pipe clamp. It's pretty rusty, but it's cool. It still works, and there's lots of stuff in here like that. Very unique things like this. There's only one of these on the shelf here. Right below the old school drill. I have one of these. Before the days of power tools, this drill was all you had to drill into everything, just like that. It would take you quite a while to get through things, but it worked. It's one of those things you put like aromatic stuff in your shower. I think it is. Really into tennis. I think I saw the owner wearing a tennis shirt today, actually. Keys, old school. Oh, look at the copper. Wow, it's so big. Some pretty specialty copper pieces here. Wow, and some brass too. Wow. Old stuff here too, repurposed. You could say. I think that's from an old toilet. Pretty sure. Mousetrap. All kinds of stuff. A little bit of everything, even glue sticks. All right, scale. Let's see, my hand weighs approximately 2 pounds. I love these old school turnstile hardware holders.
Yeah, there's two other next summer, not this.
What that is.
Because we got a bunch of birthdays then too. What was the total?
Some electrical stuff too. Like I said, they don't have just plumbing stuff. They got all kinds of stuff, including electrical parts and pieces. You see here, you got some old breakers for Federal Pacific and Zinsco, Pushmatic. These are from panels that don't exist anymore. If you have one of these, you should probably just get rid of it, upgrade. But if you need to get a replacement breaker, this is the only place on the planet that I know of that has these things. Huge fuses. Cheapers. More plumbing stuff, just all the stuff, all of it, every bit of it. For instance, these handles, you can't find that handle anywhere. You might not even be able to find that online. I mean, you've probably seen these before, but not something you get at Home Depot or Lowe's. Here's our workbench. I had them make a gas fitting for some homebrew equipment a couple years back. He just manufactured it out of parts and pieces here. Made it right there on that bench. Let me come back and hang out, watch him do it. Cool guy. All the pipe fittings you could ever dream of, all the sizes. Nice. Hoses. Little shorties. Oops. Stoppers. Lots of strainers. All the sizes.
Yes?
Yeah, that would be it. I need a couple.
On the floor, so I had to put them in based on.
More room for her.
Yeah, it'll hit the baseboard
Great.
because it's right. That's why I actually even put the ledger up there.
So it was bringing it.
Yeah, I was right.
I got it right.
Those parts were for
That's good.
an old toilet.
She said she could.
Well, I got what I needed. I got a replacement valve for a leaky faucet. Hopefully this will take care of the leak. Thanks for joining me today, friends, on this quick trip into one of the coolest hardware stores on the planet of Earth. If you're in the St. Petersburg area, drop in and say hello. Wander around for a few minutes. Check out all the cool, weird stuff they have. You'll enjoy it. I'll see you in the next video.